What's up, guys? Yeah, it's me again, back in Revelstoke. Got to finish up my repairs before I head on my travels this summer, which will hopefully be by the end of the month. I got doctor's appointments and everything else to button up. But yeah, I replaced the die-core on the roof with that awesome ladder that I have. It's so nice to be able to get up there full time whenever I want. So yeah, put a bunch of, cleaned up the die-core that was there, removed any loose stuff, and gooped a whole bunch more on there. So hopefully everything will stay waterproof again, since it's been raining a lot here in BC. That's okay. And yeah, on this side, the cowl on the ProMasters has 3 drain holes, one big one in the center, where this big pipe is. And then there's one over here that you can't see. And this one, I noticed when I was fixing the daytime running light. Where is it? Here it is. When I was fixing the daytime running light, when was that? That was in Yuma, Arizona. That the hose had split off from the connector. I have the connector. So yeah, all that's left of the connector is what goes into the cowl there. So I bought a piece of tubing, and hopefully I can repair it. But unfortunately, you got to take the whole damn headlight apart again. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'll show you guys where it is in a sec when I'm done taking that off. Yeehaw. Alright, so once that headlight is out, you can see here's the tube here. It just goes down to a hole in here. It's not attached to anything. I'm going to pull that out. So yeah, I'm just going to use that stuff and put it through that same clamp that the hose was in. And then this end just kind of jams nicely into here. So I might put a little bit of crazy glue around that. And yeah, hopefully that works. So I got the grommet back in. And then I ran this clear silicone tube all the way down, right through that shiny light. So yeah, another tip if you're doing this, the tubing was all coiled up. So I used a blow dryer to straighten it out and heat it up. So that worked out great. And I used a little bit of crazy glue to glue that in there because the vibrations on the road and everything, I don't want it to fall out. So yeah, I think that's a good fix at the Scottage. So yeah, we're going to put this all back together, and then we're going to get out of here tomorrow. I'm going to go find a place north of Revelstoke here to go camping. I got to come back next week for a doctor's appointment and a few other things. Yeah, but anyway, let's go camping. Alright, I saw this place on Google Maps. Looked like a cool spot. It's free as far as I know. Let's go check it out. Shit, I don't know if that's passable or not. Let's get out and take a look at this. I don't know. know if I want to drive through this. Yeah. Diane. That sucks. Looks like a half-decent spot up there. Looks kind of busy, although. What to do? Hi, Uma. What are we gonna do? You gonna stay here? It's okay. You stay here. I'm gonna go take a look. Alright, that's a no. Looks like everybody just parks their rigs here. Nobody's here, but there's half a dozen rigs. Oh well. Time to get my feet wet again going across this. Alright, let's see if we have any luck with this road. Looks like a spot. Let's go a little further. Might as well take a look while I'm up here. Looks like a nice wide open spot. There's some wide open sky for Starlink anyway. Interesting. I think we'll drive further down first and see what's down the road. We know this is here to come back to. Let's go. Are you driving, Uma? This is interesting. Beauty spot. What do you think, Uma? I think this could work. I think we're supposed to get a fair amount of rain this weekend. So yeah, I don't want to be parked in a puddle, obviously. I need to check the van for levelness. Looks like it's okay. North is that way, so I should be good for Starlink. There is no cell service up here. Did I say that already? I can't remember. But yeah, I think this works for sure. Put it there. Yeah, I think I can handle this. I think I can take that view. Alright, got some groceries in town. I've never seen these before, the Ruffles salt and vinegar chips. I've gotten the Lay's ones before, made in Canada, of course. Yeah, I've gotten the Lay's ones, but they've always been out of stock everywhere at the grocery store in town here. And I saw these, so I got these to try for the weekend. Nice little snacky too. And this stuff, buddy tried this dill pickle salad. It's freaking awesome. I love this stuff. Bought like 3 of these since I've been here. Eggs, always have eggs. I always have at least half a dozen hard-boiled eggs around. Yeah, for making sandwiches or just having a snack or whatever. Pizza sauce. I'm gonna make some pizza this weekend in the air fryer. Coffee cream. It's kick-ass coffee. Or sorry, it's Kicking Horse coffee. And it's called Smart Ass. Close enough. And a jalapeno for the pizza. Yeah, I'm gonna get organized and I'm gonna take Uma for a little WALK. All right, one pizza going in. About 8 minutes. There's the other one that I already made. Pepperoni jalapeno pizza. Nice. Those are pre-made crusts that I bought at Walmart. Dinner looks awesome. Nice for a Friday night. Pizza. All right. Oh, it's big stretches. Oma. Well, just charging up the batteries this morning. Looks like it might be a rainy, windy weekend around here. But I guess I'm okay with that. I've been rewatching Lost on Netflix this week, or the last couple weeks. I'm on season 3. So yeah, I don't mind staying inside and keeping warm and snuggling with Uma. But yeah, I think that's it for this week, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, I really appreciate it if you do. Yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.